Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and test your Wi-Fi security with Wireshark. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading and installing Wireshark from the official Wireshark website. Make sure to choose the correct version for your operating system. Once installed, launch Wireshark on your computer. You will see the main interface with a list of available network interfaces. Select the Wi-Fi network interface you are connected to. Click on the interface to start capturing packets. Once the capture begins, you will see a continuous flow of network data. To filter the data for Wi-Fi specific packets, use the display filter. Type WLAN in the filter bar and press enter. This will show only the packets related to your Wi-Fi network. Next, look for beacon frames. These frames provide information about nearby Wi-Fi networks and their security settings. Locate your own network's SSID in the captured data. You can verify its security type, such as WEP, WPA, or WPA2. To test your Wi-Fi security, find the association request packets. These packets show devices trying to connect to your network. Check for any unauthorized devices attempting to connect. You can identify these by looking at their MAC addresses. If you notice devices you do not recognize, it raises a security concern. Once you have gathered the necessary data, stop the packet capture. Click on the red square button in the Wireshark interface. Now, save your capture file for future reference. Choose File from the top menu and select Save As. Name your file and choose the location where you want to save it. To analyze the captured data further, you can export specific packets. Select the packets you want to export and right-click on them. Choose Export selected packet bytes to save them separately. This file can help in further analysis or reporting potential security issues. If you want to test your network's strength, look for deauthentication packets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.